Hello friends, today I will discuss about ACSR conductor used in case of transmission line and also the ampere capacity or current carrying capacity for different type of ACSR conductor. So what is ACSR conductor? ACSR means aluminium conductor steel reinforced. That is the conductor which is used for conduction of the current is the aluminium part, and steel is used in the central part of the conductor in order to give the tensile strength of the conductor. So you can see in the left hand picture here the outer side of the part of the conductor is made of aluminium strand, and inner side of the conductor is made of steel strand. So steel provide the strength of the conductor and aluminium provide the conductivity. So in case of ACSR conductor, outer layer consists of aluminium strand and inner layer consists of steel strands. So number of layer varies for depending upon different type of ACSR conductor used for different type of transmission line depending upon the voltage of the transmission line, and number of strand used for ACSR conductor is given by the formula 3n square minus 3n plus 1. N is the number of layer. So in the picture which is given in the right side of this image, two layers of steel strand is used and two layer of aluminum strand is used. So what is the total number of the strand? So since two layers of steel strand is used and for two layers of aluminum strand is used, total number of layer is 4. So we can calculate the total number of strand by putting the n is equal to 4. We get 3 into 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 1. So 3 into 4 square means 3 into 16, which is 48, minus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1. So total number of strand is 37. So you can calculate it by given formula. So first layer number of strand is 1. For second layer number of strand is 6, and for third layer it is 12, and for fourth layer it is 18. So 18 plus 12 plus 6 plus 1, total 37 number of strand is used. Now again let us take another example where number of layer is 2. So total number of strand can be calculated by the formula 3n square minus 3n plus 1, where n is equal to 2. We will get 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So total number of strand is used for this kind of ACSR conductor is 7. So example of this kind of conductor is cat and hair conductor. So what are the advantages of using ACSR conductor? So ACSR conductor has high tensile strength. The steel in the central part provides the tensile strength for carrying the load of the conductor, and aluminium in the outer part provides the conductivity of the conductor. ACSR conductor is more cost effective than copper conductor. ACSR aluminium conductor cable has a high resistance to fatigue. Number 4 is ACSR conductor is flexible. So it is easy to install, and also it is easy to transport from one end to another. The capacity of the transmission line is high depending upon the voltage level of the transmission line. So hence different type of ACSR conductor is used, and also the diameter of the ACSR conductor varies depending upon the voltage level and current carrying capacity of the ACSR conductor. So we can design different type of ACSR conductor based on the capacity of the transmission line. Again, the lightness of the aluminium makes the overall weight of the conductor is less. So in order to understand different type of using of ACSR conductor, we have to first understand how the power is transmitting from generating station to the load end. So in the generating station, the power is generated to a certain voltage limit, and from that it is further step up to voltage level 132 kV, 400 kV, 220 kV, or it may be 765 kV. So from that, the power is transmitting by the extra high tension tower by means of different types of conductor based on the span between the two length between the two towers to the transmission end substations. So again, in the transmission end substation, voltage is stepped down to use for distribution line, and from distribution line is taken for 33 kV or to 22 kV to the distribution end substations. So distribution substation, again voltage is stepped down for use of for LT commercial purpose load or household purpose. For household purpose, again the voltage is stepped down to 415 volt, and from that single phase supply is taken, or for some use of commercial building, three phase supply may be used. So this is how the power is transmitting from generating station to load end. So you can see that varieties of voltage level exist from generating station to the load end. From near the load end, 11 kV line is exist, and from distribution substation to transmission substation, 33 kV or 22 kV transmission line exist, and from generating station to the extra high tension transmission substations, 66 kV, 132 kV, 400 kV or 220 kV voltage level exist. Since there exists different type of voltage level in the transmission end, different type of ACSR conductor is used. So generating station from transmission substation, you can use different type of ACSR conductor based on the voltage level. That is for 66 kV one type of ACSR conductor is used, and again 132 kV and 220 kV another type of ACSR conductor is used. And also span is an important parameter based on which the ACSR conductor is used. If the ACSR conductor, the diameter, overall diameter exists, then the resistance of the conductor will decrease, and also the current carrying capacity will increase. But since the overall diameter is increased, there exists increase the more weight of the conductor. And also in order to give the tensile strength, more number of layers exist for inner steel strand for that type of ACSR conductor. So there are three parameters. One is voltage level, another is span length, and another is current carrying capacity. Based on these three parameter, types of ACSR conductor is chosen for transmission line. For 11 kV and 33 kV line, for 11 kV line ACSR conductor which is used normally rabbit conductor, and in rabbit conductor number of aluminum strand is 6 and number of steel strand is 1. So there exist only two layers, inner layer is of steel strand and outer layer of aluminum strand. So overall diameter of this type of conductor is 10.05 millimeter. For resistance of this type of conductor at 20 degree centigrade is 0.5524 ohm. And breaking load, that this maximum capacity of the tensile strength it can withstand is 18.25 kilonewton. And the current capacity at 75 degree is 190 ampere. So load capacity in MVA for a rabbit conductor is root 3 into 11 into 190, which comes as 3.62 MVA. Again, for dog conductor, it is normally used for 33 kV line. It is used for distribution line. Number of aluminum strand is 6 and number of steel strand is 1. Overall diameter is 14.15 millimeter and resistance at 20 degree centigrade is 0.2792 ohm. And breaking load is 32.41 kilonewton, and current capacity at 75 degree centigrade is 291 ampere. So the load capacity in MVA for dog conductor is 1.732 into 33 into 20 291, which comes as 16.60 MVA. So you can see both rabbit and dog conductor has same number of strand, but since the diameter changes for both the conductor, the resistance at 20 degree centigrade for dog conductor is less compared to rabbit. You can say the resistance of the dog conductor is almost half of that of rabbit, and the current carrying capacity for dog conductor is more than almost 50, almost it is 50%. And the braking load, that is the tension strength withstand capability for dog conductor is more compared to the rabbit conductor. For 66 kV line, normally wolf conductor is used, and for a 133 kV line, normally panther conductor is used. Number of aluminium and steel stand for both of these conductor is same, that is 30 and 7 respectively. And overall diameter for wolf conductor is 18.13 mm, and for panther it is 21 mm. And resistance at 20 degrees centigrade for wolf conductor is 0.18710, and for panther conductor it is 0.1390 ohm. And braking load for both of these conductors is 67.34 kilonewton and 89.67 kilonewton respectively. Current carrying capacity at 75 degrees centigrade for wood conductor is 405 ampere, and for panther it is 487 ampere. Since the voltage level is different for both this type of conductor, the MVA capacity of wolf is 46.3 MVA, while MVA capacity of panther is 111.34 MVA. Again, for 220 kV transmission line, normally zebra conductor is used, and for 400 kV transmission line, normally moose conductor is used. Both of the conductor has same number of strand. For for aluminium strand it has 54 number of strand, and for steel strand it has 7 number of strand. Overall diameter for zebra is 28.62 mm, and for moose it is 31.77 mm. Resistance at 20 degree centigrade for zebra is 0.06868 ohm, and for moose it is slightly less, that is 0.05595 ohm. And braking load capacity for zebra is 130.32 kilonewton, and for moose it is 159.60 kilonewton. Current carrying capacity for 75 degrees centigrade for zebra is 737 ampere, and moose it is 836 ampere. Since the voltage level is different for both this type of conductor, MVA capacity for zebra is 280.83 MVA, while the MVA capacity of moose is 579.818 MVA. So there are different type of conductors are also available for different type of voltage level. I am not discussing of that type of conductor. You can search in the net and you will get different types of conductor and their current carrying capacity. So friends, if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and also press bell button for notification of videos to be uploaded in future. Thank you for watching this video.